Welcome. In this video we are going to see how to pronounce this word and what is its meaning and how to use it in different sentences. This word is pronounced as sprung. 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 Let's see its meaning. Sprung is the past tense and past participle of spring, which means to move or jump suddenly and quickly, to originate or arise from something, to become twisted or warped, to be released or freed. Let's see its use in sentences. Stay tuned with me. We are looking at some sentences. In these sentences, I have used the word sprung in such a way that it can justify its meaning. The first meaning is to jump or move suddenly. The dog sprung over the fence to chase a squirrel. She sprung out of her chair when she heard the good news. The second meaning is to arise or originate. A great idea sprung to mind while he was daydreaming. The movement sprung from a desire for equality, desire for equal rights. Let's see more meanings in more sentences. The third meaning is to become twisted or warped. The old wooden floorboards had sprung out of place. His ankle sprung after landing badly during the game. The fourth meaning, to be released or freed. The prisoner was sprung from jail by his accomplices. The trap had sprung, but the mouse got away. I hope you have learned a lot of things from this video, especially the meaning and pronunciation and use of sprung in sentences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.